Hello everybody, GL1 here. Welcome to the premier online toy museum, and today do I have what I think is a really cool show for you. So, I was looking at my battle cat, and I have many battle cats as you may know, and I was observing his teeth and going, this is pretty much a Smilodon. This is like a saber-toothed cat, right? And I was thinking about that I don't really have any saber-toothed cat transformers or action figures, really. And so I thought about, well, where have I seen one? And then I remembered Kazar. So there's the Marvel Legends Build-A-Figure, and you can buy 6 figures that you don't really care about just so you can make a saber-toothed tiger. So you can spend like $150 or whatever, some ridiculous amount to make a saber-toothed cat. Not going to do that. I did buy Kazar, and you may recall I actually turned him into like a He-Man character. And I went to a toy store that sells old toys that had been sitting on the shelf a while, and it had the Dark Thor. And so this guy is the Black Winter Thor, and for whatever reason, he wants to destroy the universe and suck the energy out of it, whatever. I didn't really care about him, but here's that figure. So here he is. He's got his hair's going everywhere because it's winter, I guess, and he's got the hammer, but it's got a bunch of smoke coming out of it. And his arms are, they're pretty big. They just don't seem to be quite as ripped as Thor's, but all right, maybe he'll give Thor a little bit of a challenge. But I didn't care about that. What's great about him is he came with the saber-tooth head. So I was like, well, let me see. Maybe I can attach the head to one of my battle cats. Well, I can't. It's the wrong scale anyway. So I thought, well, maybe I can use a He-Man figure and I can make one. So with the new movie coming out, there's a lot of new action figures. The new He-Man movie that's coming out, a lot of new action figures, and one of them is Beast-Man. So this figure here, this is the Ninjor body from the Turtles Ninjor and the Beast-Man head. So if you take a look here, it's going to get complicated, but all right, there is the Devious Dragon Ninjor, okay? So you can see him here. So this is Masters of the Universe mixing with the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and they made him into a dragon. But take a look at that. I took the Beast-Man head, right, off, okay, and I took it off of the Beast-Man body. I want to surprise you. Okay, I took it off the Beast-Man body. I took the Ninjor head off, and the Ninjor head actually came with a neck extension that would change the angle, and that's going to be important with my saber-tooth head. So I put the Beastman head on there, and what does this look like? It looks like one of the flying monkey men from like the Wizard of Oz or Wicked, right? So that's pretty cool. And then he has, a samurai sword. So cool, it's neat, and that comes with a comic book, so Blood of the Dragon. So when you buy the Ninjor figure, and I have 2, so I can have a Ninjor figure, keep it as Ninjor, and then I can have this fella here, Flying Beastman Ninjor. All right, so then what I did is I took the Beastman body, okay, and I took the Ninjor neck extension. See that? Look, it's a dragon neck extension, and this went to some other He-Man Ninja Turtle figure. I don't know. I have a big bag of just extra pieces, and I put that in there. And then it just so happens that the ball joint for our saber-toothed cat from Marvel also fits right there. So take a look at that. So you can articulate it, you can move his mouth. But then I thought, what would be cool is to give him claws, right? Big claws, which kind of go with the armor. So I have this guy, which is concept art Grizzlor. So, he has his big tusks like a walrus, but he came with big claws. And I thought, well, let me give him the whip from Beastman, which looks cool. And then I have so many extra, like, He-Man swords. So I'm like, all right, he'll get a big He-Man sword, probably from the Masterverse series, okay, because it's a little bit out of scale, but it still works, right? And then I thought, well, let me put the claws right there, and now I have Sabertooth Man. I mean, the armor works, the color works with the head, right? So the fur is about the same color, and then he's got these big claws, and so now I have Sabertooth Man in the He-Man universe. So look at that, mixing, all these different, you had to have all these, right, in order to make this one really cool guy, right? So take a look at that. So you can do the same, because I think you can get Ninjor now. You should be able to find this on clearance. I mean, you can get this on clearance too if you can find it. You don't have to have the claws, right? He actually looks cool with the whip and the sword too, because initially that's what he had. And maybe you don't have that, I don't know. But look, if you get the Ninjor and you get the new Beast Man and you get the Dark Thor, right, then you can have yourself Sabertooth Man. So pretty awesome, right? All right, I will be talking to you soon. There's so much more going on with He-Man, and I have a lot more to show you. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Take care.